Hi guys, welcome to the next episode of Autowerks Diaries. Today we have the BMW M2 here. Just put the car on the dyno. So this is the first gen with the N55. We're gonna do a base dyno run, see what she's got stock. Then we're gonna put on KW V3s, upgraded charge pipe, and of course our stage 1 tune. So stay tuned and let's see what the outcome is. Hi guys, so we're finished with the M2, power upgrade, KW suspension V3 install, charge pipe upgrade, and also we added some wheel spacers just to give a little bit of a better fitment. So that said, power, let's talk about stock. We are 355 horsepower, 485 Newton meter stock. Then with our stage 1, we brought up to 405 horsepower and 550 Newton meter. Quite a lot of gain, definitely feel it. Lower end torque is improved, throttle response is improved. Overall, much more fun car to drive. Now suspension. A lot of people complain about the stiffness of the stock suspension on the M2, especially on these Thai roads. Believe it or not, with the KW V3, we're able to fine tune that. More comfortable over the bumps, smoother ride definitely on an everyday use. So this is from a few customers that we've already installed. Perfect product. We've dropped the car about 25 mil, gives it a much better, more fitted look. Charge pipe, definitely need to do on all N55. Design flaw of BMW stock charge pipes, it's a known thing to go. Ever since the N54, carried forward to the N55, even on stock power without any increase in boost, they fail. So we use a VRSF, upgraded charge pipe, bulletproof. So stay tuned for our next episode where we're gonna talk about the big brother M2, which is M2 competition. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna compare the two back to back at a later date. Thanks for watching, guys. In the meantime, please like, share, and feel free to comment or ask any questions you may have. Take care.